America.
Good evening, everyone, and happy Monday. Well, let's get started with the fact that we are expecting to see some strong winds for tomorrow. So we're starting off with the wind advisory for tomorrow afternoon. It'll start at noon and last until 9 o'clock in the evening hours. This is for much of West El Paso, Northwest, Northeast, Central El Paso. Those areas, you get to see 30 to 40 mile per hour sustained winds with 50 mile per hour gusts. Now we move into East El Paso, and that's a big difference. We are now seeing what we call a high wind warning. Same timing from noon to 9 p.m. on Tuesday. The thing is, though, these are now considered damaging winds. So we're forecasting 35 to 45 sustained mile per hour winds. So we are seeing some very, very strong winds. If you have dead trees in the front or back of your property, you definitely want to make sure you're taking those necessary precautions, because these winds can bring down dead trees. They can bring down weak power lines. So this is the strength of winds that we're forecasting for East El Paso. And so again, it's happening from noon to 9 p.m. tomorrow. And that is exactly why we have this weather authority alert in effect, because of those damaging winds. And if that's not enough, we also have a slight chance of rain to throw into the mix. So let's go ahead and start off with the fact that today we saw a beautiful day. It was a very nice spring-like afternoon, 74 degrees. That is your current temperature at the airport. Westerly winds, we're starting to see those winds picking up 21 miles per hour with gusts of 32 miles per hour. These winds, combined with a little bit of the cloud cover that we are seeing, they're all going to play a factor into actually deterring those overnight lows to truly cool. So we're going to be seeing a mild night tonight. We officially registered 85 degrees at the airport, 83 in Las Cruces, 82 in Juarez. So here's how we compare. On average, El Paso should be hovering closer to 76 degrees. We were more than 10 degrees above that today. 57 is how we started off this morning. 49 is normal, and it looks like we'll stay above average once again. And again, it has to do with the winds and the little cloud cover that we do have in our skies. So we're forecasting 58 degrees at the airport for El Paso, 52 in Las Cruces, 57 in Juarez. Now, this is the massive storm system that we are talking about. It is expected to bring some of that snow a little bit towards our friends in West New Mexico. Looking at some snow in Arizona, potentially some over in Nevada, but that's about it. Here in El Paso, what we get to see is rain. So we're forecasting 71 degrees with a 10% chance of rain, and of course the winds that we just described. On Wednesday, we're expecting to see those winds back off just a bit, but still seeing a windy afternoon. 70 degrees on Wednesday. We completely clear out from the system on Thursday. We slowly begin to warm. We're back into the 80s Friday through the weekend before our next system arrives next week. I do want to give a big shout out to our weather watcher. This one goes to Daniel Esquivel Jr. Thank you so much for allowing us to see this beautiful morning. And this was taken over by Wrestler and Paseo del Norte in Northwest El Paso. And so if you would like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, super simple. Submit those beautiful weather photos to us through our social media platforms. And while you're at it, check out KTSM.com under the promos tab for a chance to win an Apple Watch 3. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Visit KTSM.com, putting local first.
KTSM 9 and Truly Nolan want to answer your weather questions. All you have to do is ask Monica. Record your weather